Section 5.4, example 6, using polynomial division in an application problem. The volume of a rectangular solid is given by the polynomial 3x to the power 4, negative 3x to the power 3, negative 33x squared, plus 54x. The length of the solid is given by 3x, and the width is given by x minus 2. Find the height of a solid. So again, volume. Let's do a little recap. So volume is going to be equal to length times width times height. They're saying that the length is given by 3x. The width is given by x minus 2, and we are to look for the height. So let's divide everything and see what we end up with. So again, the volume, the first one's going to be pretty easy. 3x to the power 4 minus 3x cubed minus 33x squared plus 54x. So that's our length times width times height. They're saying that our length is given by 3x. So what I'm going to do is divide this by 3x and see what we end up getting. So just dividing this simply, we're dividing 3x into each of those terms. So to kind of expand it, that's 3x to the power 4 divided by 3x minus 3x cubed divided by 3x minus 33x squared divided by 3x plus 54x divided by 3x. Simplifying it, we have x to the power 3 minus x to the power 2 minus 11x to the power 1 plus 124 8. So 18x, or no x. Yes. So this is our result. All right, so let's do a little recap before we continue. We have volume equal to length times width times height. So volume in this case was equal to 3x4 minus 3x cubed minus 33x squared plus 54x. So now our length volume is equal to, actually we could write this down here because we just factored that out. Let's bring this up here. Now our volume is equal to 3x times, this is our result. We just factored out that 3x by dividing it. Our x cubed minus x squared minus 11x plus 18. So now what we have is length is this length here, which is this length here. This here is now our width times our height. And we actually have width is our x minus 2. So we could divide that out from here to see what we end up with. So let's give it a shot. What we're gonna end up with is volume is equal to 3x times our x minus 2 times something else. But let's factor out our width from here to see where we're at. So again, this is our width times height. Let's divide out the width. So what we're looking for is x cubed minus x squared minus 11x plus 18. And we're dividing out the width one more time is our x minus 2. So let's use synthetic division. Do we have a representative for everyone? Our highest degree is x to the power 3, x to the power 2, x to the power 1, x to the power 0. Perfect. We could use our synthetic division here. So grabbing just the coefficients, we have 1, -1, -11, and +18. The 0, we set it equal to 0. What we're using is 2, and let's see what we end up with. 2 times 1 is 2, minus 1 is 1, 2 times 1 is 2, minus 11 is -9. -9 times 2 is +18, or I'm sorry, -18, plus a +18 is going to be 0. So now what we have, this was x to the power 3. So coming down in degree, we have x to the power 2. So we have x squared plus x minus 9 equals 0. Not equals 0. Remainder 0. So now that we have that computation, we have our volume equal to our length times width times height. Our length, they told us, was 3x. Our width, they told us, was our x minus 2. When we divided all of that out from the original, we ended up with that x squared plus x minus 9. And there we go. That's our solution. So they asked us, so the volume of a rectangular solid is given by the polynomial, that one. The length of the solid is given by 3x. The width is given by x minus 2. Find the height h of the solid. And our height h is just this, or you could think of it as this part right here. And there you go. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.